How to add second account in WhatsApp in iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ben Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add second account in WhatsApp in iPhone. Well, unfortunately, unlike Android, you can't use the add account or add another account option on WhatsApp in iPhone. Now, the feature is already available on the Android device, where you can simply go ahead to settings and add account and then switch in between your accounts, and you can use multiple accounts in WhatsApp already. But in iPhone, the feature is still yet not available. Now, how can you do so? Now, if you want to use two different accounts on WhatsApp in iPhone, the option is simple. What you can do is, instead one account you'll be opening on your WhatsApp Messenger, right? Then next, what you want to do is you want to head over to your app store and you want to download the WhatsApp Business application. Now, here on WhatsApp Business, you can simply go ahead and log in and set up your account. Now, you can just set it up as a business account, but you can use it as your personal account too, right? So you can simply open up WhatsApp Business and then go ahead and log into your account using your other number, and this way you can use two different accounts in your iPhone. So this is how you can use or add second account in WhatsApp in iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.